We're doing something else, but we got flopped.
I missed you making it.
Okay, well, that's what I'm making tonight. Beat my chest on that one here. If you want to reach me, slowly. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to another video. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. If you're new here, my name is Chevelle. You can call me Chev. Welcome to CHEVMAS. Welcome everybody, welcome. So today we're in the kitchen again. No, we're not going to be in the kitchen every day. No, it was not planned for us to be in the kitchen today. We were supposed to be doing something else, but we got flopped, okay? So we're in the kitchen again today, right? What are we doing in the kitchen today? As the title suggests, we are making eggnog. No, this will not be a failed attempt, okay? I've made eggnog several times before. My husband? Come here real quick. Come here. How was the eggnog that I made?
Your eggnog you made was really great, baby.
It was really great.
Yeah, okay. It was very enjoyable. I missed you making it.
Okay, well, that's what I'm making tonight.
Okay, good job. I believe in you.
I know.
I look forward to tasting it.
Okay.
And other things.
Bye. Right, so we're making eggnog tonight, all right? So grab a glass, drink something nice. Don't be jealous when you see my eggnog, okay? But before we get into this video, please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy, okay? Don't be stingy, all right? Now let's get into today's video. First and foremost, we want to go ahead and separate the egg whites and the egg yolks, right? So that's the first thing we're going to do. All right, so next step is we're gonna go ahead and get half cup. See there, half cup. Can you see? Half cup of granulated sugar. That's the white sugar, right? So we're gonna get half cup. Woo! Alright, so I put the half cup with the egg yolks, and then we are going to mix. Alright, so we mix that until that's nice and smooth. So it's nice and smooth. Yeah, man. I'm telling you guys, this beat my chest on that one here. Beat my chest on that one here. Okay? If you want me to come make eggnog for you, just call me. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. Yeah. So get your whipping cream. Alright, so we're gonna let the milk go ahead and steam a little bit. While the milk is steaming, we're gonna slowly but surely pour the milk into the egg, because we don't want to fry it. We don't want to scramble the egg, because if you just go ahead and just dash the milk in there, you'll be scrambling the egg. We don't want to do that, okay? We want to take our time, and we want to pour it in and mix it in. Yeah? All right, cool. So we're gonna let that simmer a little bit, and when it simmers, we'll get to the next step. All right, so soon come. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna transfer the egg mixture into the pot with the rest of the milk and everything, and then we're going to let it simmer on low. Do not boil it. We're gonna let it simmer on low for about 5 to 7 minutes. Hey Siri, give me a timer of 5 to 7 minutes. Give me a timer of 7 minutes. So we're gonna keep this on low, and we're gonna keep mixing, or whisking. I don't have a whisker, my whisker broke. We're gonna keep doing that until it becomes like really creamy and really smooth. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Tastes like eggnog. Just need a little bit more time, and then that's it. I put in, as you guys saw, I put in everything already. We don't want it to boil, so the stove is on really low, okay? Really low. Get low in heaven, get low. That's the only low we get in. It's for the man around there and for Jesus, okay? Yeah. Oh guys, how are you liking Vlogmas so far? How are you liking CHEVMAS so far? How was the videos? How was day 1 and day 2? Comment down below and let me know how was day 1 and day 2. And if you're liking the videos so far, remember over here we're not too Christmassy over here. But you know, we're gonna try to keep it as festive as possible, making things a little bit more exciting, okay? But give me your honest opinions on how day 1 and day 2 have been so far, and how are you liking day 3, okay? Day 4 we're not gonna be in the kitchen. Day 4 or 5 we're not gonna be in the kitchen for a little minute.
We go.
Guys, our eggnogs are finally finished. Listen, yeah, I know, change the look. I'm tired. The girl is tired. But I'm gonna have hubby try, and I'm gonna have the boys babysitter try, and then we're gonna hear their honest opinion on my eggnogs. Okay? All right.
Yeah.
They asked me if it's safe. Cheers. Come. Tell me how it tastes. Honest opinion. How does it taste? Don't sugarcoat. Don't go out. Stop foolishness. Stop the foolishness.
Well, you're gonna run tonight.
I'm on my business.
Tastes good. Not bad, man. Tastes good. That's the one. That's the one.
Love that, love that, love that. Love that for me. Thanks, baby. Entertainment. So, I want you to taste something, and I want you to tell me your honest opinion after you taste it.
Real nice. It's bad.
What is it? You don't know what it is? Have you ever drank eggnog?
Yes, I drink eggnog. Yes.
That is eggnog made
Yes,
from
it is.
scratch.
Yes. You made it with what?
Egg. I made it.
I'm gonna taste the egg. No, chef. Everything I want to carry home with it. I got you with a boat.
So she wants to look for a container so she can put the eggnog in so she can carry it home. How we drank off his own. I don't know if it's like a
whipped cream.
No, the whipped cream up on top.
Okay.
So it's just a garnish.
Yes.
But eggnog the underneath.
Nice. You know, I'm going to put in my when I'm go home.
What that?
You also know I want.
Oh, the rum. Yeah, I go put rum in there. It tastes good, guys. Tastes good. So it wasn't a fail. It wasn't a flop. Thanks be to God. I'm telling you, I'm going to beat my chest.
This tastes more than.
Beat my chest.
It tastes better than the original eggnog.
It tastes better than the store-bought eggnog?
Yes, right, yes.
Clap that. Tastes better than the original, the store-bought eggnog. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes. And when you taste the egg, you do not have a raw taste when you taste it. So which part of the egg you blend up? Everything, the yolk, everything?
No, just the
white.
Just the yellow part.
Just the yellow part? Okay.
The white part, I use the white part and make whipped cream.
White part?
You blend up the white part and sugar and make whipped cream.
Well, with bubbles. Nice.
Alright guys, alright, you heard my peoples. Eggnog is 10 out of 10. Babe, what's your score?
100 out of 10.
100 out of 10? Okay, alright, 100 out of 10. Sorry, I said 10 out of 10. I was underscoring myself. Sorry. Yeah, 100 out of 10. Come to Chev's restaurant for your eggnog. Yeah, only on December's. Only in December. So anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't be stingy. Bye. See you in day 4.